Hi everyone, welcome to Programmers Hangout. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon for more updates. In this video, I am going to discuss how to compare two arrays in Java. Okay, so I have opened the Eclipse IDE. I have created a sample Java program. I have the main method. Here we are going to demonstrate how to compare elements of between two arrays. Arrays in Java are objects, whether they belong to a primitive type or a reference type. Let's take an example. I'm creating an array of type int, a primitive int. Now here I have created an array A of type primitive integer. But internally, this variable A actually belongs to a class. So let's see. I'm typing in A dot get class dot get name. See, this is the class name to which this variable belongs to. If I declare a two-dimensional array, this variable A internally, it belongs to this class. Basically, it's an object reference. Similarly, if we declare A as a wrapper type, I'll get this class name. So this just demonstrates whether primitive or a reference type, arrays always belong to a class. So if we use equal to compare between two arrays, it will always check whether the references are equal or the memory location is equal. It won't ever compare whether the elements between two arrays are equal or not. Let's take a look. I've declared two arrays A and B. I'm comparing both of them using equal to. If you see, the elements of both the arrays are same. And if I run this program, I'm getting the result as both arrays are not equal, because equal to is checking the reference and not the elements between these two arrays. Similarly, if we take equals, even equals check for the reference. Here it's saying both arrays are not equal, because internally it again checks for equal to. Now if I assign reference of A to B, then I get the result saying both arrays are equal. Inside java.util package, there's an array class. This class has a equals method, and this method is basically used to compare elements of two arrays. Let's see. This is in java.utils package. Here I'm comparing A with B. Both are having different references. The result is both arrays are equal. So this is comparing the elements inside both the arrays. If I add one more element to array B, I'm getting both arrays are not equal. So this is one of the way to compare elements between arrays. I hope you have found this video useful. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and press on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.